beautiful folk song here. We call it Pachalayli. It's from north of Iran. It is from Talesh. Talesh is one of the part of city of north of Iran. So si bemol, mi bemol, la koron, page number 69 and lesson number 32. So just keep your re here and then no, take it off. So just fa, si, re, si, and use your re here or D as your station. Fa, si, re, fa, re. Mi bemol again. Triole here. So after one, bam, 1, 2, 3. 1 on 2, you're supposed to play 3 notes, fa, fa, mi. And on the 3, you will play your last note, fa. 1, fa, fa, mi, fa, re, mi bemol, do. راست شب. So here you have a little bit like fast moving. Re, mi, do, re, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, and then back to re. For playing like dolla chang, we call it like dolla chang. It is 16th note. You're supposed to play it very relaxed at the first time, like 1, 2, and 3, and. And then after a while, you got master of those rhythm and music notation, everything, then you play it faster. So from the beginning. And then after 2 times, you're supposed to stop here. This is the finish line of your piece. At the 5th line, bar number 4. So here you're going to be done. But for now, repetition is supposed to be on the 3rd line, bar number 2, from here. یواش یواش یواش. Here it is finish or fine. So for dolla chang or 16th notes, please practice them separately like this. And then make it faster. Until you get master of it, and then you are going just to play this beautiful piece very advanced. Another folk song from north of Iran, from Gilan. So it is folk or موسیقی محلی, folk music. Page number 70 and lesson number 33, Koreishim. This is the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the first 1, 2, 3, do, fa. So you just count it. Do, fa, sol. And 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, do, fa, sol. Lots of rees and ittisal and takreez. So for fa, please play vibration or vibration. You might have that question. What dastgah is, for example, this piece? There is no dastgah on موسیقی مقامی or mahalli or folk music. So we have maqam or mod. We don't have dastgah like Persian classical or traditional music, like shur, segah, chargah. We can compare it to shur, for example, this piece. But specifically for folk music, we have maqam. Let's play it from the beginning. Koreishim, page 70, lesson number 33.